Good morning, children. Now what we have discussed in previous class about acids and bases only we discussed, isn't it? And natural acids we have discussed in which substances, food items or other substances the acids are present. For example, apples have malic acid, tea have tannic acid, vinegar acetic acid. So like this we discussed about the natural acids. Urine have uric acid, isn't it? Gooseberry have ascorbic acid, amla that is. So natural, these are called natural acids. In the same way we discussed about the bases also, isn't it? So contains sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, isn't it? We already discussed about this, isn't it? Glass cleaners, ammonium hydroxide. So apart from this, even we discussed about the laboratory acids also, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Already we discussed, isn't it? So now here, what are acids, what are bases? The acids changes blue litmus to red in color, and the bases changes red litmus to blue in color, isn't it? Acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Okay, already we discussed this. Now here we will know about here I am taking the test tubes. I am taking here test tubes. Now in this I am taking zinc, aluminium, copper, isn't it? Add lemon juice. What is lemon juice? Is a citric acid. Lemon juice is a citric acid, or you can add any other acid also. Isn't it? Acid. What happens here? The reaction takes place with the acids and metals. So a gas is evolved. During this reaction with the metals and acids, the gas is evolved. Now what you have to do? How to know which gas is evolved during the reaction? Now take a burning matchstick. Bring the matchstick near to the evolving gas, the gas which is evolved. The burning matchstick burns brightly with a blue flame and put off with a pop sound. Tuck sound will get. Tuck sound will get. So this is the conformation of hydrogen gas. This is a test for hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas only burns with a blue flame and put off with a pop sound. Tuck sound will get. Isn't it? Hydrogen gas is light in weight. It is used in filling balloons. Who discovered hydrogen gas? The name of the scientist is Henry Cavendish. Henry Cavendish discovered hydrogen gas. He was an Italian scientist. Who discovered hydrogen gas? Henry Cavendish discovered hydrogen gas. Understood? Now, we are coming to acid rains. Coming to acid rains, what are acid rains? Acid rains are common in industrial areas. Acid rains are common in industrial areas. The gases are evolved from the factories, industries, which contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Isn't it? These oxides, these gases dissolves in the water and forms carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. So these already the moisture will be there in the air. These gases, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dissolve in the water and forms acids. These acids dissolve in the moisture present in the water, in the air, sorry. When the percentage increases, you get the acid rains. This is what you call it, acid rain. So acid rain is a combination of moisture and acid, mixture of acid and water, isn't it? When the percentage of these acids are more in the atmosphere, you get acid rains. What are the effects of acid rains? Agricultural fields will be damaged, monuments will be damaged, human skin will be affected, damaged, isn't it? So these acid rains are more common in industrial areas. Okay, children? So what are acid rains? Knows about this. Next, coming to, see here, take two test tubes. Another experiment I am showing you. Take two test tubes. Here in this case, the marble. What is marble? Marble, calcium carbonate. Marble is nothing but the calcium carbonate. And in this you take lime water. Lime water, what is lime? We use in bitter leaves, pan, white, chunna, what do you call it? Take 100 stoppers and add acid in this, lemon juice. Citric acid or any acid you can add. Connect it with the delivery tube. Here the reaction takes place in the marble, that is calcium carbonate and acid. A gas is evolved. That gas passes through the delivery tube and collected in the another test tube, which is mixes with the lime water. What happens when it mixes with the lime water? The lime water color changes into milky white. Milky white changes into milky white. This is carbon dioxide. This is a test for carbon dioxide. Hydrogen test, how to identify hydrogen, how to know the hydrogen gas is evolved. Test I showed you, it burns with a blue flame and put off with a pop sound. In the same way, when the carbon dioxide gas passes and mixes with the lime water, the color changes into milky white. This is a test for carbon dioxide. Okay children, thank you.